Hello everyone, my name is Salvador and welcome back to my channel. I'm a bit out of breath because I've been running. I'm here in Golfo de Fonseca and we came to for a tour around the islands and stuff, and the tour was organized by the Navy Force, and yeah, it's quite nice over here. We are right now at the Navy headquarters here in La Union, and we are going to take the boat and have a bit of a wander around the islands and stuff, and yeah, come and check it out with me. Unfortunately, my better half, she wasn't feeling good because something that she ate last night or something. So even though she was willing to come, but she's not feeling good right now. The good thing about this trip is that they have a doctor and a nurse that, you know, look after if anything happens to you. As I was saying, it's a good thing that they bring a nurse and a doctor, so they can look after you if you don't feel well or stuff like that. And that's a very nice touch. Anyway, right now they having like some sort of like dancing something over there that people like loud music and stuff. And after that we are going to get aboard the boats, and then off we go.
Estamos ubicados en el extremo este del país, ¿verdad? Vamos a ver ahí el Golfo de Fonseca. Aquí atrás pueden ver ya lo que es el volcán de Conchagua, el pueblo de La Unión o la ciudad de La Unión y el Parque de la Familia. Vamos a empezar el proceso de embarque a los buques. Les voy a pedir de favor orden uno por esa escala y les voy a dar ciertas medidas de seguridad.
Well, definitely this was a really nice experience. Go to sail around the islands, see the Gulf, see all the docks and the other ports that are in there. Also seeing all the little boats with the fishermen doing the daily hustle and stuff was quite nice. I recommend you to come and do this tour, and book it through the Navy, and yeah, you are going to have a good time. They have little boats sailing with us, that they have all the security, doing all the security for us, so you don't worry about that, you know, if anything's going to happen to you. And yeah, enjoy it, you will love it. as part of the trip, they bring you to Las Playitas, or Playas Negras, I can't remember which one is that. And it's a beautiful place, like all dark, sand, warm water, which is lovely. And yeah, you can have some food, some seafood, and all, you know, especially all the really fresh seafood straight from the sea. And yeah, as I said, it's been a nice time in this tour, and also it's been I don't know, a lovely lovely day. Unfortunately, my better half was a bit sick, so she couldn't join us into the boat. But now she's better. She had a swim in the water. She loved it because in Australia water is so cold, and here it's like warm. Pretty sure it's like 30 degrees all year round. And yeah, that's it. As I said before, I recommend you to take this this trip, and you know, you're going to have a really lovely time here in La Union.